The day after their loss to the Heat, the Lakers prepared to embark on a 3-game road trip. Before leaving, however, there was time to honor one Lakers' deeds off the court.
We've had an extraordinary experience in the last few years. We've had 2, and today marks the 3rd time, visits from a very special person who we're honoring today. Metta World Peace has a real commitment to reducing stigma and supporting mental health services in adults and children. So we are honoring him with, I believe, the first ever CI Care Award given to somebody who is not an employee of the UCLA health system. So Metta, I don't know if you know what a big deal that is, but it's a big deal.
On this day, Metta World Peace was recognized by UCLA for his efforts in bringing awareness to mental health in a ceremony that included special guest host Larry King. The award being for a cause he famously publicly championed during the 2010 NBA Finals.
I definitely want to thank my doctor, Dr. Sandy, my psychiatrist. She really helped me relax a lot. Thank you so much. It's so difficult to play. There's so much commotion going on in the playoffs, and she helped me relax. I thank you so much.
When you spoke out about mental health, I said, what if we had, at that time, Ron Artest come to our psychiatric hospital? It turned into about a 45-minute therapy session that was one of the most beautiful therapy sessions I've ever seen. And it was real clear we weren't dealing with a basketball player. We were really dealing with a healer, and he keeps coming back. Metta World Peace.
The night before Game 7, I was very nervous, had a lot of anxiety. I had anxiety through that whole playoff series, so I was seeing my psychologist for the whole time. I didn't even know what a psychologist was. I thought she was a psychiatrist, and I said, I want to thank my psychiatrist. Actually, she was my psychologist. I really want to say, thank you, for this award, and we're going to continue, to try to help heal, wounds. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Here's a guy, anger management problems, obviously had mental problems, difficulty in many cities, overcame it, worked hard to overcome it, is still working hard to overcome it, and gives back by coming to a place like UCLA Hospital, visiting, talking to patients. We'll discuss quite a few things. What's wrong with the Lakers?
Yeah, the Lakers. I'm glad people recognize, some of the good things that I try to do. I don't, shy away from the person that I am, so I'm not perfect. But at the same time, I try to, do a lot of great things in the community, and I'm happy that, I'm happy to be a part of people that's trying to do good things in the community. It was nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I think when I went up there, I had some of the same issues. Right away, you connect with people like that really have these issues, and they actually really need help. They need somebody to support them. They need somebody to talk to, communicate with. But then healing, I had a lot of wounds that was bothering me, and you don't realize why you are how you are. You don't realize it until you address it, and now you feel better about yourself. You can move on now. Thanks.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks for having me. Thank you. With my counselor, we talked about everything that I've been through as a kid, up until what I can remember. And when you come here and you have those little sessions with the kids, it just kind of keep you on your toes. And then you inspire them, so it works for both. Y'all young now, y'all get a chance to address all your issues, right now, and kind of move on, with your future, and be the person that you want to be. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you later. All right, see you later. All right, take it easy. See you later. All right. Take it easy. It's nice to meet you. Take it easy, all right? Thank you.